Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take high resolution photos in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone or you want to take high resolution photos, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your camera app and here just tap on this option and you will get different settings. First of all, we have this 3 or 4 set option. You must have to tap on it and you have to select 9 or 15, or you can select 1 or 1 or full option. Once you have full option, you will get your photo in your full screen less like that. And from here you can easily select the maximum resolution is a 12 megapixel. You must have to tap on it and to selected 50, and once you have selected, now just tap on this more option and you will get this pro option here. You can easily enable that and you will get more pro settings on your phone, and here you will get different settings in this option. Once you have that, now you can get more settings. Just tap on this more settings option and from here just select high efficiency pictures. You must have to enable that settings. Once you have enabled, you will get the higher resolution or high efficiency photos in your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.